Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Vidhurang Mamata. Vidhurang. Just like you have seen some big trees standing for so many, many years, the root is firmly captured. You have seen, experience. The business is to stand up for 10,000 years. But the root is capturing the earth like anything strong. This is called vidhurang, attraction. Suppose when you have got sense, improved consciousness, human being, if one asks you to stand up here for 1 hour, it will be so troublesome. And even if you are forced to stand up for 1 hour, you will feel so much uncomfortable. But this tree, because it has not developed consciousness, it is standing up for 10,000s of years and in open atmosphere, tolerating all kinds of excessive heat, rain, snowfall, but still it is capturing. This is the difference between developed consciousness and undeveloped consciousness. A tree has also consciousness. Modern science, they have proved, they have got consciousness. Very much covered, almost dead, but it is not dead. There is consciousness. So, the more you develop your consciousness, the more you become freedom lover. Just like the human society, there is fight for freedom. But the animal society, they do not know what is freedom. Ours also is so-called freedom, but still we have got some consciousness that we fight for freedom. And they fight for eating, that's all. So here, Parikshit Maharaj, this emancipation, Krishna consciousness means emancipation from this material attachment. So he became so much advanced because from his childhood, from his birth, from the womb of his mother, he was Krishna conscious. As soon as he understood that Krishna is my goal, immediately, vidhurang mamatang jaho, immediately gave up. Jaho means gave up. What kind of things he is giving up? The empire. Formerly, the emperor in Hastinapur, they were ruling over the earth, the whole world. Parikshit Maharaj, at least 5,000 years ago, when Parikshit Maharaj was the king, he was emperor of the whole world. So he is giving up that. Not that a teeny village or something, no. And that empire also, without any disturbance, he was so powerful that nobody could go against him. Razvijete abhikale. Abhikale. Bikal means broken or disturbed. But his kingdom was never broken or disturbed. Now, the whole world is broken and disturbed at the present moment. They have got so many countries, independent countries. That means the world is broken into pieces. Formerly there was no such piecework. One world, one king, one God, Krishna, one scripture, Vedas, one civilization, Varnashram. Not very far away. They are giving history of that studying the earth layer. But while they were studying earth layer for millions of years, there was perfect civilization. Perfect civilization, God conscious, happy civilization. Now they are broken, disturbed. It was not the case formerly. So this vidhurang mamata means it is mine. That is called mamata. mamata. Mama means mine, the consciousness of mine and I. This is called mamata. I am this body, and in relationship with this body, everything is mine. My wife, my children, my home, my bank balance, my society, my community, my nation, my country, mine. This is called mamata. So how this mamata, or the consciousness of mind, grows? There is a machine manipulated by maya, illusory energy. The beginning, what is that? Attraction. A man is attracted by woman, and the woman is attracted by man. This is the basic principle. Here, in this material world, there is no attraction for God, but there is attraction. That attraction is, on the whole, sex attraction. That's all. The whole world, not only human society, animal society, bird society, bee society, any society, any living being, the attraction is sex. Pungsang striyami thuni bhavami tat. The attraction here, the center of attraction is sex. So, boys and girls or any in younger age, there is that sex impulse increased and want mating. Female wants male, male wants female. This is the attraction. This is the basic principle of binding the conditioned soul in this miserable life of repeated birth and death. This attraction. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,